Your blank document will open. It will open. The next that you will do is to go to your page layout. Always go to your page layout, select your paper orientation, make sure that is in portrait, and you select your paper size. Select it to A4. Now our paper is ready. I will be designing this invitation card with text too. I'll be designing it with text too. Go to insert shape. This is my text box. Too. I will click it, and once I click on it, my cursor will turn to plus, showing me that I click on something, and I will draw it. Draw it to the size that I want. This is the size of my invitation card. Yes. The next thing that I will do is I will write invitation. I will select my font size, select it, font size of my choice, increase the size, I will put it in center alignment. Like I said, this is the size of my invitation card. This is how I want the size of my invitation card. I'll come here. I will write Nuruddin Technology and not this and. Invite you. Where is it again? You. Come here. Mr. Mrs. Miss. Like this. Make sure that you are spelling correctly, and I will select my font size, to area black, to Times New Roman. I select my own to Times New Roman, and I will reduce the font size. Yes. Select your font size, your style, and your size. Center alignment. Control E. Yeah, to there, to there. Graduation, graduation ceremony. As you can see it, here. I will reduce the size of this my graduation ceremony. I will reduce it a little bit. Mm-hmm. This thing that I'm doing, I'm not seeing it very well. I have to zoom out. Then I will come here. I want to change the color of this graduation ceremony. I will come here, pick the color that I want, the color of my choice, the color of my choice. Then here, the line out to it. I will choose the line out to it. Select the line color. Select the line color so that what I'm doing it will be readable. The line color. Maybe the color that I selected make the right top to be blurry. I have to change the color. I will keep on changing the color, changing the color. Maybe I will reduce the line weight. I'll reduce the line weight a little bit. I'll reduce it, change the color, change the color. I'm trying to make the color, the the right up to be readable, to be readable. So I still cannot read it though. I still cannot read this thing. Maybe like this is okay. Okay, yes. To their graduation ceremony. What else? Okay. I will write date, time, and slash award winning slash slash prize giving day. The next thing that I will do is to write the other informations. Write the other informations. I will come here, carry my text box to write date 25 August 2026, time o'clock a.m. What else again? Date, time, venue, school premises, like this. After I might have finished writing all these things, I will format my writing. I'll format it, format my writing, come select my font style, select my font size. Then this text, I want to give this write up a special effect, and before then I want this letterhead to be a color letterhead. You know that it will not just come out like this. I'll I'll format the background of this text too. Format the background of this text too. I will give it a color of my choice, the color that I want. This is the text box too. I'll format the fill. I will come to fill color, texture, like this, the color of my choice. Maybe I do not want. Is this one okay? Okay. Is this color? How do you see this color? Is it okay? Okay, let us be going. Okay, this text box. I'm still formatting this one. Still formatting it. Text box tools. Come here, fill color. I'll remove the line. I don't want the line to appear, so that it will look as if that is. Yes. I'm still formatting my write up. Come here. Maybe I want to change this shape. I want to change this shape. I will come here, select the shape that I want. Shape that I want. Select the shape that I want. Okay, I'll select this one. Select this one. Carry it to this place. Change the fill color. No, supposed to have line art width, because I want the folding to come out. I want the folding to come out a little. To come out. I'll carry my text box. As you can see, the write up is behind this shape. I'll right click on it, bring to the front. As you can see, it is already at the front. It's already at the front. The next thing to write is maybe chairman, vice chairman, principal, head mistress. I will still go carry my text box too, come to insert, shape, carry my text box too, where I will write all these things. Special guest of honor, special guest of honor. Maybe I want to write all these things. Uh, Malam Ibrahim. Ibrahim. I'll put it here. I'll still format all these things, so I'll format it back to my home. I'll come here, select the font of my size to format it back here. Maybe remove the line out. Bullets. Here is bullets. Select the bullet that I want. Special guest of honor. Maybe I put guest. Babangida. Bangida Zuberu. Click on this one. Right click. Bring to front. To come to the front. To the front. Another thing, is there any other thing that I should write? I'm designing this in off head though, so is there any other thing that I should write? Bring to front. I'll bring this one to front. I'll change this color. Come here, select the color of my choice, the color that I want.